In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shadow to a shape in Canva. There are two ways that you can do. The first one is by selecting the shape, then go to the top toolbar and click this FX option. From here, you can just drop shadow, then use the sliders or type some numbers into these columns to adjust the direction, offset, blur, and transparency. Once you've done that, you can also change the color of the shadow. Just click this colored circle, then choose the color that you want from these options. If you don't want any of these colors, you can click this plus icon to add a new color. Just play around with these color pickers or type a hex code if you have one into this column. And here is the result. Okay, now the second method is by downloading this shape as a PNG. To do that, just right-click the page, then click Download Page. From here, choose the file type as a PNG, then check this box to make the background transparent. And finally, click Download. After that, re-upload the shape into the Canva by dragging it like this. Okay, now let's delete this first and put the one that we just downloaded into the design. Now to add the shadow, just go to the top toolbar and click this Edit option. From here, you can scroll down until you find the shadow sections, then click this arrow or click See All to see all of the options. Just like before, you can use these sliders or type some numbers into this column to adjust the blur amount, distance, curve, and intensity. Then to change the color, just click this colored circle. Then use this color picker or type the hex code to get the color that you want. So that's how you can add shadow to a shape in Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out.